Hey guys, welcome. It's Eric Roberts with Worship the King, and today we're going to loop back around to Glorious Day. I want to show you how I play the lead and the rhythm at the same time. So if you had two acoustic players and you wanted to get that little da-da-da-da-da-da-da, if you want to get that in there, you can actually play that and sing it. So let's try that. It goes, you called my name and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. You called my name and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. Okay, so I'm going to break it down, and remember, all of these videos I am now including a tablature download, so look in the description of this video, go straight to Worship the King. It's free. You can download the chart and the tab and all the sort of tricks that I'm doing from this video. So also you can always join worshiptheking.com. This is an acoustic version, and I can imagine there are tons of reasons why you would be an acoustic version set and that you would still want that cool guitar part. So let's break it down. This is and this is in a different key because I'm on capo 4. So the tab will show probably still 12, 11. So we're off the 12th fret on capo 4. And you can move this lick all the way around. So if you want to move it up, it goes, or. Okay, so basically what you're doing is, this is a minor pentatonic scale. Okay, and that is the second finger starts on the 12th fret, and you just walk up. The best way I think to learn this would be just to learn the notes and then throw the rhythm in. So it goes da 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 bum bum ba 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 bum, or ba 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 ba. It just walked right up. 12 11, 13 11, 13 11. Really easy. And then it goes da 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 ba ba bum bum. Okay, da 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 da. And I don't know that I've ever tried this with students there, but if you can say this da 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 da, and then play it da 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 da. So I've never done it on YouTube. I've done it basically when you think if you can't say it, you can't play it in strumming. Same with this. If you get da 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 ba da 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 da, so ba 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 ba, and that's a pull off. The first one, that'll help you. Pull off. So there. So that's a lick. You called my name and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. You called my, and I kind of sing it with it. You called my name and I ran out of that. This is different. And then you just kind of go, and whatever you do, it doesn't matter that much as long as you're. You can kind of do whatever you want on that one. It's kind of a, and then, out of the darkness into your glorious day. On the day. Glorious day. So the only nuance of this is you pull off that first one. So da 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 da, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down. And you can pick it however you like to. I'm not going to get crazy on the picking, but you can go down da 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 da, down up, down up, down up, down up, down up, down, down, down up, down. Down up, down up, down, 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 down up, down up, down, down. And then you got the whole thing. So I'm going to show you the electric version coming up, and I have a whole course on the electric guitar, and I have a lot of videos on the electric because that's what I've been playing a lot at church. But we did do this for youth, and I was like, oh, still want to do that, cool, and it was really good. So if you can get this down, you can move that around. Now that is starting on the second finger with a pull off, and just do that. The minor pentatonic scale, I'll throw that in right here at the end for you. If you're sticking around and you want a minor pentatonic scale, it starts here. It would go like. Something like that, okay? I say something like that. I mean, there's different versions of it, but it's like, finger-wise, you go 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, and then the 1. So I don't use this minor pentatonic shape that much. I use the other one a lot more. But it's just a 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3. Now that minor pentatonic scale can be moved all over. So you can go over here. So it's good to get used to that shape, okay? But it's not as important. So you're just kind of feeling around. It is a minor pentatonic lick, and that's why I sound. If you can do that, you can slow it down. All right, God bless, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the video, and ask me anything you want to in the comments, anything at all, and I will see you on the next video.